Imagine this. You've spent months crafting a brilliant strategic plan, and yet 6 months later it's collecting dust on a shelf while your organization struggles to move the needle. Sound familiar? If you've ever wondered why great strategies fail, today we're going to talk about the secret to ensuring your strategic plan isn't just created, but executed effectively across your entire organization. Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Talbot, and I help leaders like you turn strategy into action. As a strategy consultant, I've seen it all. Plans that succeed wildly and those that fail before they even get started. The difference? Execution. Crafting a strategy is just the first step. Ensuring it's executed effectively is where the real work and opportunity lies. Let's break this down into 5 actionable steps. 1. Clarify and communicate the vision. The first step is crystal clear communication. Your strategic plan must be understood at every level of your organization. This means breaking it down into plain, actionable language and explaining not just what the plan is, but why it matters. Use town halls, visual roadmaps, or even a short video to make sure everyone, from executives to frontline employees, gets it. 2. Assign ownership and accountability. A strategic plan is only as strong as the people driving it. Assign clear ownership for each initiative or objective. Identify leaders who are accountable and make sure they have the authority and resources to get the job done. Regular check-ins and reporting mechanisms will ensure progress stays on track. 3. Integrate the plan into daily operations. Too often, strategic plans feel like separate projects disconnected from daily operations. Avoid this by embedding strategic objectives into your team's KPIs, performance reviews, and department goals. Your plan should become the North Star that guides everyday decision-making across the organization. 4. Build a culture of alignment and collaboration. Execution isn't just about individual tasks. It's about organizational alignment. Ensure cross-functional collaboration by fostering a culture of open communication. Tools like project management software or cross-departmental workshops can help maintain alignment and avoid silos. 5. Measure, adapt, and celebrate progress. Finally, measure your progress. Use KPIs and regular progress reviews to track your results. But remember, flexibility is key. If something isn't working, adapt quickly and don't forget to celebrate wins along the way. Recognizing milestones boosts morale and keeps the momentum alive. Here's a bonus tip. Don't underestimate the power of leadership modeling. As a leader, your behavior sets the tone for execution. When you consistently reference the strategic plan in meetings, demonstrate accountability, and celebrate alignment, your team will follow suit. Strategy execution starts at the top. Lead by example. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical strategies to drive success in your business. And drop a comment below to let me know what challenges you faced when executing a strategic plan. I'd love to help. Remember, strategy without execution is just an idea. By following these steps, you can turn your vision into reality and watch your organization achieve the goals you've worked so hard to define. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.